What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna show you guys a money-making opportunity, a money-making setup that you can identify without being the best trader in the world, without having the experience as some of the top-notch traders out here. Just simple candlestick formations. I'll go ahead and take the EMAs off the chart for right now. That way we just got a plain empty chart. You are gonna have to put some work in though. Candlestick formations, it's easy. You're already looking at the candlesticks, but you need to know these patterns right here. If you can just identify patterns, you can make money off of that simple setup, whether it's a bear flag, a bull flag, double top, double bottom. What we're gonna cover today is today's session in SPY, a couple double tops that occurred where we could have made money if we jumped into those plays. I dived into the double top and I made money off this play. If you see, out of the opening, we got this green candle. Boom, ran that thing up. Take a look at the next couple candles. Boom, ran that up. Check this, keep your eye on that green candle right here. You see this green candle right here? Pay attention to that. We come back down. We get this red candle. We get this green candle. And what happens here on this next one? This one runs all the way up to here. I look to the left and I'm like, man, I already know what's ready to happen. Guys, what do you see right there? That's a double top. You see that double top making, and in my mind, I'm just waiting for that candle to close. As soon as that candle closes right there, and I see that next one start off red, I'm diving in, and that's exactly what I did. I seen it, dived in, and check it out. Boom, get the next red candle. Boom, you get this green candle. This green candle ain't affected anything, no reason to get out of that play. You get this red candle. Boom. Guys, that's a strategy right there that you can see and that you can make money on and that you can play. And I'm going to turn the EMAs back on because I want to show you another strategy in this. If you watch any of my videos, what do I say? When you are in a downtrend, as we are, a double top means that the stock is ready to go down. And as you see, we went down, but what do I say? If we're headed to that 200 EMA, what are we going to do? We're going to get out of that play right there. I get out right around here because if you follow me, I'm not touching that EMA. I'm cashing out before we get there. And that's exactly what I did. I knew we were headed to the 200. I got out. And what do I say? Once it hit that 200, it's either going to overshoot it a little bit and then it's going to boom, right back up. And that's exactly what it did. And you see, it got stuck right here at 562.50. It came all the way back down. It bypassed the 200, but it got its composure and went right back up. Now, I called this one in the Discord. I was chatting with some people in the Discord. Somebody said that they think that the stock was doing good, consolidating right here. And I said, I don't know. I said, that candle just closed. And what do we see right here, guys? We see a run up off of VWAP. That was the VWAP pump. Boom. That candle closed. We caught this one in real time in my Discord. Right here. As soon as that hit that double top right there, I said, I think that's a double top right there. Candle closed. Here we go. Boom. Went right back down. That is a quick scalp. To make some money, you get out right here at that 20 EMA, and then they ran that thing back up. Guys, these are plays that you can pay attention to or that you can spot on the chart. And as soon as you see it, you know what to do. And it works that same way with double bottoms. You get a double bottom on there, you know what it's going to do. That double bottom is going to make it pop right back up. Guys, I just wanted to give y'all that little simple strategy right there for the people that not really that great at paying attention to all this other noise that we throw on our charts and everything, and they just want something where they can sit back and say, you know what, I can recognize that play right there. I'm getting in that play. I'm going to make some money on this and I'm going to get out. Or if you plan the 3 candle strategy, I had a level somewhere up here. I forgot what the level was. I think it was 563.10. If it didn't make it through that, it was coming back down. If you followed the 3 candle formation, you get the break, the hold, boom, ride that down. You see that green candle? It didn't affect anything. You ride it right all the way down to the 200. You making money that way. As long as you guys are protecting yourself with your stop losses, we can't be right every single time. But as long as we throw that stop loss in there to protect us from catastrophic losses, you're fine. Let nature run its course. Again, guys, I hope you like that little lesson that I just threw out. But hey, I'm not going to take much more of your time, but if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Tesla, NVIDIA, HUT, Hood, Palantir, go ahead and tap into our Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.